Camp forest green, camp forest green, camp forest green, camp forest green. Damn, baby, damn. Yo, what it do, skis? Joey Screams here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Camp Forest Green 3.2. I'm going to show you guys how to install it fresh. So if you've never installed it before, this is for you. But also, I'm going to show you how to install the patch for those that already installed it. Let's do the do's. All links will be provided in the description below. Okay, I'm going to start off with the people that did not install Camp Forest Green before. You're going to need Steam. So if you don't have Steam, I don't know why you wouldn't have Steam. Download Steam, install it, make an account, and have that ready. You're going to need it. Second thing you're going to need is WinRAR. You go to WinRAR and just click download and install WinRAR. Now you're going to want to click on the archive.org link, which is Camp Forest Green Blood and Balance version 3.2. So this version already has the patch built in. So all you got to do is download this and you're basically ready to go. So once you go to this website here, you're going to want to click on RAR right here. RAR, you know what I'm saying? Pause, click that, and you're going to see it's going to start downloading right here. Once it's finished downloading, by this point, you should have WinRAR installed and Steam installed if you didn't have it installed already, okay? But you definitely need to have WinRAR installed. From here, you want to right click and click on open. It's going to have the WinRAR logo, and then this window should pop up, all right? If this pops up where it says, please purchase WinRAR, you just have to close it, and you're good to go. Then from here, you want to hit extract to, and then you can choose the location where you want to extract it. I'm going to choose desktop, click OK. Once this is extracted, then we have to do just one more thing and the game should open up. Once it's done, you can close this out and now you have a brand new folder. This is the extracted folder. You want to click on easy anti-cheat and you want to double click on easy anti-cheat underscore setup. Once the anti-cheat window pops up, click on install. For me, it says repair because I already have it installed. Once you do that, you can go back. You're all set and you can go ahead and start Camp Forest Green. And there you have it. You now have Friday the 13th, known as Camp Forest Green. You could play online and you see it populates and that's it. You're good to go. For those that already have Camp Forest Green installed, all you have to do is go to this link, which is going to be in the description below, and it's going to take you to this website, Mediafire, and you see here, Camp Forest Green patch 3.2. This is for those that already have the game installed and are just trying to update the game. So you click download, wait for it to download. It should be fairly quick. All right, once it's finished downloading, locate it. And all you're gonna wanna do is right click, open with WinRAR, just close out of this pop-up. And then all you have to do is hit extract to, click desktop, hit okay. And now you see it just moved all those files that we extracted to our desktop. Now what you wanna do, locate your Camp Forest Green folder. Again, this is for those that already installed Camp Forest Green before. And the files that we just extracted, you wanna click it, you wanna make sure they're all highlighted, click, hold, and drag it into your Camp Forest Green 3.0 folder. Drop it in there. You're gonna wanna hit replace the files in the destination. Once you do that, that's it. You can start playing Camp Forest Green once again. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. Much love and tin. I'll see you guys on the next one.